Good afternoon, students. Welcome to Sankalp learning classes. So we have already started discussion on the chapter that is electricity. So this is the second session, so in which we are discussing the further important questions on this chapter. Okay. So already we have discussed that 1 mark question, especially MCQs, and 1 mark questions, and we are discussing the long answer and the short answer questions, right? So in this class also we are discussing the some important long answer as well as some short answer questions. Okay, yes, I hope my voice is audible. So let us start with the first question. Here, state Ohm's law. In domestic electric circuit, electrical appliances are not connected in series. Why? B. Write the factors on which resistance of the conductor depends. Illodi, Ohm's law. State the Ohm's law. Repeatedly, this question is asked. Okay. So, if you take the old question paper, repeatedly, this question is asked many times. State the Ohm's law. So, in the last class, already we know the answer for this questions. State the Ohm's law. Then second question, in domestic electrical circuit, appliances electrical appliances are not connected in series. Why? They are connected in parallel, right? Why they are connected in parallel, not in series? Because a series arrangement is not used for connecting the domestic electrical appliances in a circuit, because if one electrical appliance stops working due to some defect, then all other appliances also stop working as the whole circuit broke down. This is one of the reason why the series connection is not used, and the each electrical appliances, they require different electrical current. Okay, but in the series connection, every electrical appliances, it receives the same amount of the electrical current. Okay, so this is the reason why the electrical appliances are in a domestic circuit, the electrical appliances are, they are connected in a parallel, not in a series connection. So the question B, write the factors on which resistance of the conductor depends. The resistance of the conductor depends on the length of the conductor, conductor, and second one is the area of cross section of the conductor. Cross section, area of cross section of the conductor. And one more thing is, that is the type of the material. Which type of the conductor is used, that is also depend on the resistance also depend on these three factors. If the length of the conductor increases, the resistance also increases. Area of cross section increases, the resistance decreases. So the type of the material, that also decides the resistance of the conductor. Okay. Next question. Draw the schematic diagram of an electric circuit comprising of electric cell, electric bulb, ammeter, and plug key. So you have to draw the schematic diagram of the electric circuit diagram you have to draw. So that should contain electric cell, electric bulb, ammeter, plug key. Okay, write down the question, very important. Yes. So here, this is the circuit diagram. Here, this is the electric cell, like battery. So this is the plug key, and this is the ammeter, ammeter, and this is electric bulb. This is electric bulb, and this is the electric cell. This is the electric cell. So this is the circuit diagram which contain the electric bulb. This is the electric bulb, and this is electric cell, and this is the plug key, and this is the ammeter. Okay. So this question can be asked for the as a 2-mark question. Next, move to the next question. What are the advantages of connecting electrical devices in parallel in an electric circuit instead of connecting them in a series? Here, in the first question, what we have seen why the series connection is done in the domestic electrical circuit, not parallel connection is done, not the series connection. What is the reason? So this is also same type of question, but they are asking why the parallel the devices are connected in parallel, not in a series. Why? And question number B, how are the ammeter and voltmeter are connected in electric circuit? What are their function? Let us start with the question number A. Question number 3 in that A. What are the advantages of the connecting electrical devices in parallel? Okay. Parallel circuit divides the current through the electrical gadgets. The total resistance in a parallel circuit is decreased. This is helpful particularly when the gadget has different resistance and requires different current to operate properly. If one electrical device is damaged, it will not affect the other electrical device. But in case of the series connection, what happens? If one electrical device fails, then whole circuit will be collapsed. But in case of the parallel connection, it will not happen. Hence, the other devices continue work properly. The voltage across the electrical device is same, and the device can take the current as per its resistance. Here, the electrical current is divided as per the requirement of that device. Okay, so that is the reason why parallel connection is used, not the series. Sorry. Here, how ammeter and voltmeter connected in electric circuit? What are their function? So here you should see that the electric circuit. In an electric circuit, how the ammeters and voltmeters are joined, how they are connected. So just imagine this is the electric circuit. Okay, this is the electric circuit. Here is an ammeter and electric cell and plug key, but voltmeter is connected here. Voltmeter is connected here. So for how voltmeter is connected? Voltmeter is connected parallel to the resistor. Voltmeter is connected parallelly, parallel to the these resistors, but ammeter is connected in series. Ammeter is connected in series. Okay, and what are their function? What is the function of the ammeter? It measures the rate of flow of current I, alva? Sorry, measure in ampere. Ampere ಅಲ್ಲಿ measure ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. So that is represented as I, alva? So it measures the rate of flow of the current, that is ammeter, and voltmeter that is used to find the potential difference. Voltmeter, so that is helpful for the potential difference. to know the potential difference. Okay. So let us check this question once again. How ammeter and voltmeter are connected in an electric circuit? Ammeter connected in series and voltmeter is connected in parallel. How they are connected, alva? Then what are their function? Here ammeter is used to measure the current, flow of the current, and voltmeter is used to know the potential difference. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ನೋಡಿ, potential difference ಅನ್ನ find out ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ voltmeter ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Next question. Observe the given diagram, circuit diagram, and calculate the total resistance and the total current flow through the circuit. Okay, so just write down the given data here. Here the resistor, two resistors are connected in parallel and one resistor that is connected in series. So here I will take R1 and R2. R1 is equal to 4 ohm and R2 is equal to 12 ohm. Okay, R1 is equal to 4 ohm and R2 is equal to 12 ohm and R3 is equal to 5 ohm. What we have to find out here? Total resistance. Total resistance, I will take it as a R. What is R? Then what is total current flowing through the circuit? What is I? We have to find out. Okay. So let us start with the parallel connection of this. Please write down this given and what you have to find out. Next thing is, so just write down the formula for the parallel connection. Parallel connection agide alva. First total resistance anna find out madona in between the 4 ohm and the 12 ohm. That is 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So we can write 1 by R1 means 4 plus 1 by R2 means 12. Here 1 by Rp is equal to 12 divided by 3 plus 1. So that is equal to 4 by 12. Rp is equal to ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ? 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by 3. Rp is equal to 3 ohm. So these two resistors, when they are parallelly connected, their total resistance is 3 ohm. Okay, their total resistance is 3 ohm. But here one more resistor is there, so that is connected in series. Just apply the formula of series. Rs is equal to R1 plus R2. Here I will take R this as the total resistance of 4 plus 12 R1. So I will take it as a 3 ohm plus here 5 ohm is remaining alva. So 5 ohm series ಅಲ್ಲಿ connect ಆಗಿದೆ. So that is equal to 8 ohm alva. 8 ohm ಇರುತ್ತೆ. That is nothing but the R, total resistance. Total resistance in this circuit, that is 8 ohm. First ಇಲ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? So you have to find out the parallelly connected total resistance. Then you have to find out the series connected total resistance. So the total resistance is 8 ohm. What you have to find out here again? I is equal to V by R. You know the formula. Then what is V? Here V is also given. V is equal to 24 volt. Here 24 divided by what is R? What is R here? 8. 8 ones are 8 threes are. So I is equal to ಎಷ್ಟು? I is equal to 3 ampere. Then what is the answer for these two questions? What is the total resistance? That is 8 ohm. And what is the total current? That is 3 ampere. Wait just a minute. Yes, 8 ones are 8 threes. Yes, that is the total resistance. So that is the total ampere, total current, and this is the total resistance. Okay. So now I will clear this. Yes, if you have any doubts, you can write down in the comment box. Okay. So next question. So see this question. What is the meaning of the statement? The potential difference between the 2 points is 1 volt. Name the device used to measure the potential difference. What is the resistance of the conductor? What is electric power? Write the three formulas formula to use to find the electric power. Okay, let us solve this question one by one. Here, first question is, what is the meaning of statement? The potential difference between the 2 points, that is 1 volt. So this is the first question. Write down this question. What is the meaning of the statement? The potential difference between the 2 points is 1 volt. Okay. So what is the answer for this question? 1 volt potential difference between the 2 points in a current carrying conductor when 1 joule of work is done to move a charge of 1 coulomb from one point to the other. Here, what is 1 volt potential? 1 volt potential difference, that is the when that is the potential difference between the 2 points in a current carrying conductor when 1 joule of work done, 1 joule of work done uh, when it is work done to move the charge 1 coulomb charge, move the 1 coulomb charge from one point to the other. So this is defined, this is the 1 volt. How to define this? Okay. Second question. What is the second question? Name the device used to measure the potential difference. Name the device. This question we have solved already. The potential difference is measured by the voltmeter. Voltmeter. Then, what is resistance of a conductor? What is the resistance of a conductor? The resistance of a conductor is the property of conductor that opposes the flow of charges or current through it. It is the property of the conductor that opposes the flow of charges within the conductor, that is called as a resistance. Then what is next question? Let us see the next question. What is electric power? And write the three formulae used to find the electric power. What is electric power and the formulas used to find the electric power. The rate at which electrical energy is transferred or consumed in an electrical circuit is called as a electric power. What is electric power? Write down the correct statement, correct definition. The rate which electrical energy is transferred or consumed in an electrical circuit is called as a electric power. And what are the formulas used to calculate the electric power? You know that P is equal to VI. This is the common formula what we use, and P is equal to I square R and P is equal to V square divided by R. These are the three formulas which is used to find out the electric power. P is equal to VI, P is equal to I square R, P is equal to V square by R. Okay. Next question. Draw the diagram of an electric circuit in which resistors R1, R2 and R3 are connected in parallel, including an ammeter and voltmeter, and mark the direction of the current. What you have to draw here? Here they told to draw the electric circuit where three resistors, they should be in, resistors are shown like this. For example, R1, R2, this is R2, and this is, sorry, three resistors R1, R2 and R3. They should be connected in a parallel manner. So here this is the R1 and R2 and R3. They are connected in parallel, including ammeter. How the ammeter is connected? Ammeter is connected in a circuit in a series manner. And how the voltmeter is connected? Voltmeter is connected parallelly to the resistors. So like that you should draw the uh, circuit diagram, and you should again mention the direction of the current here. Yes, this is the diagram where three resistors R1, R2 and R3, they are connected in parallel. And see here, ammeter is connected in series, and voltmeter is connected parallelly to the resistors to find out the potential difference. And this is the direction of the current. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, direction of the current ಕೂಡ ನೀವು mark ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. This is the direction of the current, and this is the circuit diagram. Circuit diagram ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಕೆಲವೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. That is also very important. Let us move to the next question here. It is advantageous to connect the electric devices in parallel instead of connecting them in a series. Why? So this question already we have solved many times, one of the important questions. So I kept this question in this slide. Please note down this question, very important. They will ask why series connection is not done, that is not that is not a that is having not importance as a parallel connection. Why parallel connecting devices, that is having the advantages. So like this they will ask the question. Okay, already we have solved this question. Let us see the second question. According to Joule's law of heating, mention the factors on which heat produced in a resistor depends. And according to this law, write the formula used to calculate the heat produced. Here, the factors on which the production of heat is depend. Here, what we can say. This is the answer for the first question, why the parallel connection is advantageous. If any, sorry, this is the answer for the first question. Already we have discussed this. So let us move to the next question, that is, according to the Joule's law of heating, the heat produced in a resistor depends on three factors, that is current, the square of the electric current flowing through the resistor, and it is also depend on the resistance of the resistor. The heat produced, the more resistance, heat produces more, and time. So the how much time, the time for which the current flows through the resistor. So these are the three factors so on which the heat produces depend. And what is the formula is used to calculate the heat produced? H is equal to I square RT. This is the very important formula that is used to find out the heat produced. Next question. An electric refrigerator rated 400 watt is used for 8 hours per day. An electric iron box 750 watt, that is used 2 hours per day. Okay, and calculate the cost of these appliances that is used for the 30 days if the cost of 1 kilowatt hour is Rs rupees 3. Okay, so same type of question we have discussed in the last session. Okay, according to that, so let us solve this question. The power used by the electric refrigerator and electric iron box. Electric refrigerator that uses the that is having the power 400 watt. And what is the time? Total how many hours it is used? Totally how many hours? 8 hours in a day it is used. 8 hours. And what is the power of the iron box? Iron box that is having the 750 watt power. And total how many hours that is used? 2 hours. So first let us calculate the total power used by that uh, instruments in a 1 month. Okay, the first thing is here I will multiply the energy that is consumed by the 400 watt electric refrigerator, and that is used 8 hours in a day. And totally how many days? That is 30 days. What is the uh, total energy consumed in a 30 days? So let us multiply this. 400 into 400 into 8 into 30. What is the value? So this is 96,000. 96,000. Please multiply this. If anything is wrong, you can say the answer. Okay, illenadru mistake agidre numbers alli ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಬಹುದು. Okay, 96,000 watt hour. Okay, then second, here you should write energy consumed by the electric refrigerator. ನಾನು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಐರನ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ that is having the 750 watt power, that is used 2 hours per day, and totally 30 days it is used. The energy consumed is, that is 750. Multiply this number, 750 into 2 into 30, that is 45,000. What is the answer? 45,000 watt hour. Then what is the total of these two? Total is equal to 0, 0, 0, 6 plus 5, 11, 1. That is 1,41,000 watt hour. But we have to convert it into a kilowatt hour. Kilowatt hour ಗೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Then what we have to do? ಕಿಲೋವ್ಯಾಟ್ ಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Now it is in a watt ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಕಿಲೋವ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Then you have to divide this from the 1000. Okay, so 1,41,000 divided by 1000 to convert into a kilowatt hour. Here I will cancel these 3 zeros and it total 141 kilowatt hour. So how much energy is consumed? That is 141 kilowatt hours per hour. Here we have to calculate what is the cost of that this power used by the electrical appliances. You know that 1 kilowatt already given, 1 kilowatt hour is equal to how much rupees? That is 3 rupees alva. 3 rupees ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 1 kilowatt is equal to 3 rupees ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Then what is the cost of 141 kilowatt? Then 141 into 3 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? That is 312. So that is 423 rupees. What is the total cost of this energy consumed? That is the 423 rupees. That is the correct answer. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗುವಂತದ್ದೇನು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಈಸ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಇನ್ 30 ಡೇಸ್. 30 ಡೇಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 20 ಡೇಸ್ ಅಂತಾನು ಕೊಡಬಹುದು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 30 ಡೇಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪರ್ ಡೇ 8 ಅವರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಇಸ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ ಮಂತ್ and add both totally 1,41,000 energy is consumed. Then convert that into a kilowatt hour convert ಮಾಡಿ. So while converting the kilowatt hour, if it is in a kilowatt, then it is also okay, no need to convert, but here you have to convert into a kilowatt hour. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, so you have to divide that from the 1000, so 3 zeros are gone and only 141 is remaining, that is kilowatt per hour. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 1 kilowatt ಗೆ 3 rupees ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So what is the cost of 1 kilowatt? That is 3 rupees. Just multiply 141 into 3, you will get, that is 423 rupees. Okay, the answer is 423. I hope this question is clear. If you have any doubts, you can write down in the chat box. Same question now solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Here, what is the SI unit of the potential difference? Name the device used to measure the potential difference. What is the SI unit of the potential difference? That is volt. Volt is the SI unit of the potential difference, that is represented as V, alva. Here, the name the devices that is used to measure the potential difference, that is the voltmeter. Voltmeter. This is the 2-mark question. Next question. Observe the given circuit and calculate the total resistance in the circuit and total current flow in the circuit. Same question we have solved, alva? So same question anna solve madideve. So here R1, so these are the R1, R2 and R3 anta ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So this is the R, okay. Illi R4 anta ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. So you have to find out the total resistance. Total resistance means that is R, ಅಲ್ವಾ? Total resistance ಅನ್ನ find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, R ಅನ್ನ find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು and I ಅನ್ನ find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು by using this given data. Okay, ನೋಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತದ್ದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. R1 is equal to 2 ohm, R2, just I will write here only R1, R2, R3. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರೀತೇನೆ, ನೀವು ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Then apply the formula, that is 1 by Rp. So while solving the sum, writing the formula is very important. Don't write directly, don't solve the sum directly. R2 plus R3. ನೀವು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು 1/2, 1/4, 1/4 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, 1/2 plus 1/4 plus 1/4. What is the answer here? 4 divided by 2 plus 1 plus 1, that is 4/4, that is equal to 1 ohm ಅಲ್ವಾ? RP is equal to ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ? RP ನು ಕೂಡ 1 ohm ಆಗತ್ತೆ. So this is the total resistance of this parallel resistors, that is 1 ohm. Then it is connected in series, ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆಗ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬೇಕು? RS is equal to R1 plus R2. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ R. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ R ಅಂತ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? 1 ohm plus here 5 ohm, that is equal to R is equal to total 6 ohm. What is the value of R? That is 6 ohm. So total resistance is to 6 ohm. So V is equal, next we have to find out the total current, that is V is equal to IR. I is equal to V by R ಅಲ್ವಾ? V ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 6 volt ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್. Then I is equal to V ಎಷ್ಟು? 6. And what is the total resistance? R, that is 6. that is equal to 1 ampere. I is equal to 1 ampere. And what is the value of the total resistance? That is 6 ohm. 6 ohm ಮತ್ತೆ 1 ampere. Like this you should solve the sum. ಈ ತರ ನೀವು sum ಅನ್ನ solve ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? Yes, I hope this question is solved and ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ. I will change the slide and move to the next slide. Next question. Here, a battery that is connected to the 9-volt battery that is connected to the series of resistors that is 0.2 ohm, then 0.3 ohm, 0.4 ohm, 0.5 ohm and 12 ohm resistors respectively. How much current would flow through the 12 ohm resistors? Okay. First, you know that they are connected in series. Okay. And you have to find out the current. Just write R1, take it as R1, 0.2 ohm, R2 that is 0.3 ohm and R3 that is 0.4 ohm and R4 that is 0.5 ohm and R5 is equal to 12 ohm and you have to find out the current flow through this 12 ohm resistors. Okay, let us write the formula. Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus total resistance you have to find out to find the current. R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4 plus R5 ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ R1 0.2 plus 0.3 plus 0.4 plus 0.5 plus 12. What is the answer? Calculate ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. What is the answer for this? That is 0.2 plus 0.3 plus 0.4 plus 0.5 plus 12. What is the answer? That is, what is the answer? 13.4. Yes, very good. 13.4 ohm. Alva, 13.4 ohm. So here they had given that they are connected in series. Series ಅಲ್ಲಿ connect ಆಗಿದೆ and they are asking how much current would flow through the 12 ohm resistor. In case of the series connection, the current flow is same in every resistor. ಅಲ್ವಾ ಎಲ್ಲ resistors through current flow ಆಗಿರೋದು ಏನಾಗ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So you can write I is equal to V by R formula. I is equal to V by R. I is equal to V, that is 9 divided by what is R, that is 13.5. R is equal to here. R is equal to 13.4. Okay. 13.4 or 5. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? That is 13.4 ಅಲ್ವಾ 13.5 ಅಲ್ಲ 13.4 13.4. So what is the value of 9 divided by 13.4? 9 divided by 13.4, that is, just calculate this, 0.67 ampere. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು R ಅನ್ನ ಏನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಟೋಟಲ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದ 12 ಓಮ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ದ 13.4. ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ 0.671 ಆಂಪಿಯರ್. 67 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸಾಕು, 67 ಆಂಪಿಯರ್. Yes, I will move to the next question now. Yes, this is the answer for the question. Next one. When 12-volt battery is connected across the unknown resistor, there is a current 2.5 milliampere in the circuit. Find the value of the resistance across resistance of the resistor. Nodi, V is given, V is equal to 12 volt and V is equal to 12 volt and already I is given. I is 2.5 milliampere. It is given in a ampere but volt. So that is in a volt, but here milliampere alli kottidare. You have to find out R. Simple. You have to find out R. So what formula you will use here? I is equal to V by R. R is equal to what you will write? R is equal to, otherwise you can take this formula. V is equal to IR. Here you have to find out R. R is equal to V by I. Alva? E formula na use ಮಾಡಿ. Here R we don't know what is the value. Here 12. I is, what is the value of I? That is 2.5 milliampere. Milliampere you can write 10 raised to minus 3. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು 10 raised to minus 3 ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯೋದ್ರ ಬದಲು divided by 1000 ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೇನೆ. 2.5 divided by 1000 ಹೀಗೂ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 is the in a ampere form ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋದಾದ್ರೆ 2.3 into 10 raised to minus 3 ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. But I will write 2.5 divided by 1000. Okay. Then how you will find out the R? R is equal to 12 divided by 2.5 and I will send this 1000 above into 1000. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1000 ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 12 into 1000 that is 12,000. Next I will write here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿತೇನೆ ನೋಡಿ. 12 into 1000. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1000 ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Divided by 2.5 that is equal to 12,000 divided by 2.5. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 12,000 divided by 2.5 that is 4,800. That is equal to 4.8 into 1000 ohm or R ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ? R is equal to ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ 4,800 ಓಮ್ ಬರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ 4.8 ಕಿಲೋ ಓಮ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? 4.8 ಕಿಲೋ ಓಮ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ಆರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ 4,800 ಓಮ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. So that is the correct answer. R is equal to. Okay. It is very easy, but it is I is given in a milliampere, so little bit complex. Don't make it complex. Next question. How many 176 ohm resistors in parallel are required to carry 5 ampere on 220 volt line? Okay. Here, ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 176 ಓಮ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು connect, but they are required to carry 5 ampere current on 220 volt line. We have to find out how many number of resistors should be connected in parallel. So let us write the formula. 1 by Rp is equal to, we don't know, 1 by R into N. Alva? We don't know how many we have to connect. ಇಫ್ ವಿ ನೋ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಿಂತು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ, 1/R1 1/R2 ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಯೂಸ್, ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ದ ನಂಬರ್, ಸೊ 1/RP is equal to n into n. ಸೊ RP ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, RP is sorry 1/RP is equal to n/R ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ RP is equal to, so that is equal to R/n. ಇದು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? RP is equal to R/n, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, 1/RP is equal to n/R. RP is equal to R/n ಆಯ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ V is equal to IR ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ. V is equal to IR ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. We know the value of V. V ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು? 220 ವೋಲ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. And you know the value of current, that is 5 ampere. And you know the value of R ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಸಾರಿ 1 ಇಂಟು IR ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನೇನ್ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ RP, R ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾನೇನ್ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, R/n ಅಂತ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ R, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು R/n. ಹಿಯರ್ ಅಗೇನ್ 220 into 5 ampere, sorry, is equal to 5 ampere current into, we know the how much resistance resistor, that is the 176 ohm resistors, and we don't know the number ಅಲ್ವಾ. ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. then we can find out n now. n ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಲ್ವಾ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ. then n is equal to ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 5 into 176 divided by 220. 5 ones are 5 fours are and 5 fours are 20, 44 ones are and 44 fours are. So n is equal to s2, n is equal to 4. Then how many 176 ohm resistor should be connected in parallel? That is total 4 parallel resistors, that is having the 176 ohm, they should be connected, and they carry the 5 ampere current in a 220 volt line. So this is how to solve this question. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಟೋಟಲ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 1/RP ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಅಂಡ್ R is equal to R/n, total resistance is equal to R/n ಅಂತ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. Yeah, so when you substitute this value, you will get the answer. Okay. ಎಸ್, ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ. ದೆನ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. Next question. Here, a hot plate of an electric oven connected to a 220 volt line has two resistance coils A and B, each of them having the resistance 24 ohm, which may be used separately, in series or in parallel. What are the current in a 3 cases? In 3 cases, when they are connected separately, when they are connected in series, when they are connected parallel, what are the current? You have to find out. Nodi, illi A coil R1 ಅಥವಾ RA ಅಂತ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, that is 24 ohm, and B coil resistance, that is also 24 ohm, and V is equal to 220 ohm alva. V is equal to 220 ohm. When they are connected in series, just take it, when they are connected in series, what is the formula? RS is equal to R1 plus R2. What is the total resistance? RS is equal to 24 plus 24. 24 plus 24. RS is equal to, that is 48 ohm. Then find out the current when they are connected in series. Find out the current. I is equal to V by R. V, that is 220 volt divided by what is 48 alva, 48 ohm. What is the I in case of the when they are connected in series? What is the current flow when they are connected in series? 220 divided by 48. Yes, ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. Answer will be 4.58 ampere. Okay, ಇದು ಯಾವ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? When they are connected in series. Okay, 4.58 ampere ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ, next, when it is connected in parallel. Parallel ಆಗಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ, when it is connected in parallel, what is the total resistance? Parallel connect ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 1 by RP ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ? Again, I'm saying the while solving the sum you should put the formula. ಈಗ 1 by R1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 24 plus 1 by R2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 24 ಅಲ್ವಾ? So 24 divided by 2, 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 twos are. RP is equal to 12 ohm ಅಲ್ವಾ? Total resistance ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. You have to find out the current. Current formula ಯಾವುದು? I is equal to V by R. V ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 220 divided by what is the R? That is 12 ಅಲ್ವಾ? 220 divided by 12 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? What is the current flow? 220 divided by 12, that is 18.33 ampere. Current 18.33 ampere yavaga when it is connected in parallel. Okay, 18.33 ampere when it is connected in a parallel. Next you have to find out when it is connected separately. Separate ಆಗಿ ಒಂದೇ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಗ? R is equal to 24 ohm. You can take it as a 24 ohm. V is equal to 220 volt. And what is the answer? I is equal to V by R ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ V ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 220 divided by ಎಷ್ಟು? 24. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? When it is connected separately ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Answer, that is 9.16 ampere. 9.16 ampere. So just try to solve this. 220 divided by 24 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, so dear students, these are the some questions, that is very important questions, and how to solve the sums related to this chapter. So these all things we have discussed, right? Then if you have any doubt, you can write down in the chat box or write down in the comment box in the YouTube channel. Okay, thank you. I hope this session is useful for you people. Thank you. We'll meet in the next session.